Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss if 5,000 XRP can make you a millionaire, and price prediction of XRP. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
First, we take a look at the year behind us. Then we cover our own XRP price predictions and market XRP forecast. We will also dip our toes into the far future of XRP and give our Ripple price predictions for 2021, 2025, and 2030. We will also answer some of the most common questions about XRP price targets and how high it can go, like will XRP hit $10 or will XRP reach $100 and similar. We also give our opinion if Ripple is a good investment at all. So let's get down to business and start the thankless task of predicting Ripple future. This year, the company Ripple and its cryptocurrency XRP had a lot going on. The violent crash in 2018 brought worry lines on the forehead of followers and investors. From more than $3 per coin at all-time high, it went down to below 30 cents USD by December of 2018 and stayed there for the whole of 2019. What is the forecast for XRP for 2020? The whole crypto world is on the verge of a full-fledged bear market. Bitcoin has slumped 50% from its all-time high amid the broader market drops, impacted by raging inflation and US Fed rate increases. Investors are selling risky assets and moving into more stable markets. Crypto is still perceived as a very risky play and hence the sell-off. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, especially in the second part of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 predictions. Right now, Bitcoin needs to find a local bottom before we can move in the opposite direction and reverse the trend. Once Bitcoin settles in the new price range, altcoins will start to do the same. We have witnessed this scenario dozens of times in the distant and more recent history. Our price prediction model is bearish for the next 90 days with a hint of a bull market at the turn of the quarters from quarter 1 to quarter 2. We expect whales and other bigger players in the market to finish filling their bags around that time, which will cause a typical and sudden crypto spike. Captain Altcoin team created a price prediction model with a multifaceted approach to crypto that takes into account both technical analysis and fundamental assessment of each project. XRP Community in Decay. According to a recent article by Decrypt, XRP Community is in a serious deflation in the last 2 years. Over 63% of Ripple's Telegram community members have left over the past 2 years. The price of XRP is currently down 95% since its all-time high in January 2018. Previously, unhappy XRP holders even threatened to fork the token unless Ripple stopped stumping it. Realistic XRP price prediction in 2022. Majority of experts agree that this bear market will last at least for the first quarter of 2022 before we see some stabilization and small trend reversals. Captain Altcoin's prediction model takes market sentiment into account and reacts accordingly. A lot of exchanges, most notably Bitstamp, that was even part of Ripple's much-touted ODL network, have suspended trading of XRP tokens until they get more regulatory clarity. Other exchanges are also on alert and could be following Bitstamp in suspending or even delisting XRP tokens. All of this has led to a huge price drop and a big divide among the XRP fans. Some of them are throwing in the towel, selling at loss, and moving on from XRP. Others, on the other side, are seeing this as another opportunity to buy the dip, get XRP while it is cheap, as they believe the SEC lawsuit will be dropped. What should you do? Sell XRP or wait? We are more inclined to sell. We were never big fans of XRP tokens to begin with, as it is not a real cryptocurrency and reeks of a get-rich scheme, a masterful game played by Ripple co-founders and management. If Coinbase or another of the big exchanges delist XRP, it will probably mean its death. However, there lies the potential as well. If the suit gets dropped, XRP will literally moon. I can see it 15 times in a matter of days if such news of a dropped lawsuit ever happens. Okay, but what should I do now? I would set aside some money I can afford to lose and put a ridiculously low buying position for XRP, something below 500 sats. If it drops that much, you can get a lot of tokens dirt cheap. It would completely dry out and you lose your position. But it could fly way past Moon and hit Jupiter or even the Sun itself if the lawsuit ends up in their favor. Will XRP reach $10? The biggest question that comes to everyone's mind in Ripple is if it is worth becoming a $10 per token. This all depends on how Bitcoin's movements pan out, as well as the SEC slowly letting go of Ripple. Given that departments will see Ripple as a legitimate technology that will benefit everyone, including billion-dollar corporations and banks, without manipulating the old system, the price of XRP will certainly spike up. While it may be less than $1 today, the future does seem bright for the altcoin. However, if the SEC proves that Ripple is a dirty technology, it will have a significant loss in its price. Additionally, this kind of result may affect cryptocurrency as a whole, especially if the masses will agree with the SEC that crypto is nothing more than just a fad with made-up words just to make everything sound legitimate. Yet, as more companies support the blockchain, there is still hope for XRP. After all, XRP is one of the most popular altcoins to date. Moreover, with its ever-growing technology despite all the controversies, as well as transfer fees and the transaction speeds proving faster and more efficient than the likes of Bitcoin's performance or Ethereum's statistics, Ripple may soon return to its throne as the number 3 coin based on market cap. Should you worry about the SEC? Is Ripple in trouble all this time? Technically, all cryptocurrencies are under the raised eyebrows of governments and the SEC. However, XRP is the most popular target among the others since it is directly under investigation. Yet, should this make you turn your head to another currency instead, or should you keep having diamond hands no matter how hard the institutions try to crack down on Ripple? The claims. According to the SEC, Ripple's platform, which allows businesses to move money, was financed using XRP, making it a security. The company's executives were likewise enriched with the sale of XRP in the process. Protection must be registered with the SEC, and certain financial information must be made public under its regulations. The objective is to prevent fraud and protect investors' interests. They also claim that it forces governments to reconstruct the tax laws, although, in reality, some governments already adapt to cryptocurrencies' ways of income to ask its users to declare their taxes, such as Australia. The Howey test, which was created by the Supreme Court after SEC versus W.J. Howey Company in 1946, is used to determine whether a virtual currency qualifies as a security. The test is that if an item is marketed with promises of profits derived from the efforts of other people, it must be classified as a security. It is important to note that the Howey test is not an exact science. The main argument was whether XRP was liquid enough to be traded on open markets. One of Ripple's arguments centered around the company's decision in 2016 to lock up 55 billion XRP into a cryptographic escrow account, which it has complete control over. This meant that Ripple could not threaten to flood the market with XRP, a move that would collapse its value. 2 months later, Ripple opened up about 55 billion XRP from escrow and sold them on secondary markets over the course of 4 weeks. Only 5% of those funds came from selling XRP owned by the company itself. The remaining 95% were funds from XRP owners. Because Ripple did not spend this money, the company claimed that there were no expectations of profit and therefore argued that it could not be considered a security. However, during testimony, David Schwartz, one of Ripple's founders, revealed that he had researched the Howey test before opening up about the 55 billion XRP. Schwartz had concluded that the sale of XRP did not have to be registered with the SEC because it was not a security, which means that Ripple's legal counsel was either unaware of his findings or intentionally ignored them for their own benefit. The fact that Ripple then moved to purchase XRP in large numbers once its value began to rise sparked suspicion that the company had intended to profit from price rises in XRP. If that is true, then the sale of XRP could be considered unregistered securities offering under US law. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.